Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could recover data which you have lost. This includes pictures, includes PDF files, Word documents, videos, and any other kind of data. So for the purpose of this video we're going to use the Wondershare Recoverit software. However, in the coming videos there will be other softwares covered. To get this software, all what you need to do, you need to open your browser and you need to type Wondershare Recoverit. You open the official website and you download and install as usual the software, as you will do for any other software in terms of the installation process. Once done, you want to make sure to plug the device to which you need to recover the data. If it's a USB flash drive or an SD card or an external hard disk, you need to have it plugged to your computer. If you are going just to recover data from the C disk or the disk which your computer is running on, then it's fine. Next step, just double click on the icon of your software to run and let it scan. So I will just start the process. Windows will ask you if you really want to allow the application to make changes. You can always just click yes and proceed. If you don't know how to download and install a software, you can always refer to our channel where we have a video explaining how you can download and install any software. As you can see, now it's loading disks. Please note that your version might look a little bit different. If you are downloading this software in the future, there will be, or there might be, a new version. But the process works the same way. So for me, I want to recover the data. Let's select USB flash drive. And let's select this one and delete the data from it. Let's also delete it from the recycle bin just to show you how strong and powerful is this software. Now we're going to go back and make sure to remember the letter of your drive. So it's USB drive E. I will go back to this software and I will select USB drive E. It's here. I will double click on it and it should start running the scan. It's able to recover even much older files. So here it shows all the previous pictures and images and data which I had in this USB flash drive. And once the scan is over, we'll wait until it's 100%. We will choose what files to recover. As you can see, it says detected your disk had some issues. That's fine actually. Please recover as soon as possible to prevent file from being overwritten. So we'll just select OK. And I will just go ahead and select which files I would like to recover. So I would like to recover this video, let's say, this pictures, this bookmarks, and let's say I would like an additional file. So here I have selected only these files. You can select even all if you wish by clicking on the top on this little square box. So recover. Here it asks us where to recover those files. It's preferable to select another file or another flash drive or another place where to store it. So for now, I will just select another USB where I will recover it. So here I have another USB flash drive plugged and I have this folder. As you can see, it's empty. So I'm going just to refresh, recover, new recover, and I will click recover. The process will begin and it should start recovering for me. Please note that I have just chosen 5 files, which are not very heavy, just to show you and to make this video short. However, you can decide to recover everything. As you can see, a file has been automatically created by the software. And here it's automatically opened for me. I click and here I see my folders or my data. It has been fully recovered. So let's just click on a picture to see. And as you can see, it has recovered it. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.